Hi, I'm Lisa from the greenhouse.
And it's Linda from Green Life Soils. And we're here on this beautiful sunny winter's morning, thank you, to talk about some edible flowers.
Yes, that's right. There's so many plants that you can grow that you probably already grow now that you don't realise that you can eat the flowers.
Yeah, and edible flowers are very popular. I mean, it's not something you'd ever have a main meal of, but they're very useful for garnishes. A lot of them make some desserts and icings look really pretty. You can pop them in an ice tray and then they'll make a little garnish in your summer drinks.
That's exactly
so
right.
yeah, and they're just really pretty and something a bit different, and they look great if they're in a salad, a mixed salad.
Yes, they do, yeah. And you've seen them on a lot of the cooking shows where they just place them on the plate strategically to make the dish looks really nice.
That's right, so you can just be master chef at home.
Yeah, that's right.
So many of the herbs that you've already got growing in the garden have flowers that you can eat also. Any edible herb, really, things like rosemary and basil, if you can eat the herb, you can usually eat the flowers.
That's right, exactly right, yes. Also, another few common ones are borage. You can see the beautiful flower, beautiful blue flower. They also come in the white flower.
They do. They're all coming up everywhere at this time of year, and they're fantastic too because the bees love them. So good bee fodder plant.
Absolutely. Native violet. There's a native violet flower.
Tiny little flower, but they're actually
edible. And the common violas too. You see, they're very common in the cooking shows.
Yes.
Also, did you know you could eat the flowers of broad beans?
Yes, and peas.
And your peas. Your peas are beautiful. Another one, a common one you grow is coriander. You know, the flowers on coriander are beautiful, small little white dainty flowers. They're absolutely gorgeous.
Very delicate. And again, another good one to let go to seed in your garden because hopefully they'll self-sow, but also then very good for beneficial insects.
That's exactly right. Exactly right. Now, a couple of plants that are really easy to grow is like calendula here. It's also medicinal, so you can dry the leaves, put it into an oil and put it on your skin for wounds. And they nearly flower in summertime, just about all year.
They
these
do,
corianders.
and you can just pull the flowers apart and just scatter the individual petals, if you like, into your salad.
And when you're making the herbal teas as well, to add a little bit of colour to herbal teas, you just put in some flowers. Cornflower is another one that's very good for herbal teas as well. Nasturtiums, another one. We've talked about nasturtiums a bit, being a wild plant, a wild weed, but the flowers are beautiful.
The entire plant is actually edible, but the flowers are, again, another little useful one to throw into your salads or as a little garnish.
Yes, and another one coming up too is the elderflower. Okay, if some of you are lucky enough to get the berries, well done. I can't get berries where I am, but the flowers, before they go to be a berry, are very good for you, full of vitamin C and so easy to grow.
And beautiful sweet smell too.
And the white, they're just so dainty. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Elderberry wine.
That's true.
Oh, sorry, elderflower wine.
That's true. So there's quite a few things that you've got in your garden. So next time you're outdoors and things are going to seed or starting to flower, before you pull it out, maybe just do a bit of research. Well, do a bit of research first. We always suggest that.
Yes.
And see what you can use in your garden.
That's right. Thank you.